up, you guys? Today I'm going to be sharing the best way to save money on all of the latest makeup and skincare, and that is to get it for free. I'm talking a 100% discount because I don't think it can really get any better than that, and that is why I have partnered with Influencer on today's video. I'm going to be letting you know how any of you watching can start receiving boxes of free full-size products, and make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video because I'm actually doing an incredible giveaway with Influencer. You're not going to want to miss that, so make sure you watch the entire video so you can find out how to enter. Influencer is a platform designed to help you discover new products. So like I just said, they send out free boxes of full-size products, and all they ask in return is that you share your thoughts with your friends on social media, and it is truly 100% free. You don't pay to sign up, you don't pay for shipping. I want to get straight into the good stuff though. As you have noticed, there is a literal tower of boxes behind me, so I'm going to share just a selection of some of the recent boxes Influencer has sent out so you can see what you've been missing out on if you aren't already signed up, and also so you can get a little sneak peek of some of the items you can win in the giveaway. So the first box I have to show you is from Kiehl's, and this box included their Ultra Facial Cleanser, their Creamy Eye Treatment, which is their avocado eye cream. I love this. It's so thick and hydrating for the winter. And then a little travel size of their Ultra Facial Cream. The next box is from the K-beauty brand Belif, which, how pretty is this box? It totally matches my whole pastel vibe that I've got going on. But this box included their Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask, as well as just like a little mini trial size of their Aqua Bomb Cream. This will be one of the items in the giveaway. A Glam Glow Insta Mud Mask. Yes, please. Glam Glow products are so expensive, so getting them for free is like a serious treat. This is their little like 60-second foaming bubbling mask. It's a really fun one. That's going to be in the prize as well. This one was their L'Oreal Color Riche Color of the Month box, and this box included 8 different L'Oreal lipsticks, so there's 4 different collections, so they're all different finishes and textures and everything like that. I know L'Oreal is drugstore, but here in Canada, L'Oreal is one of the priciest brands in the drugstore. These are probably like $14, $15 a piece. So that is an amazing box, and you will be winning a variation of this box as well. They also recently sent out an Origins Original Skin box. If you watch me, you know that the original skin line from Origins has some of my favorite products of all time. And this had the newest addition, which is the Cleansing Makeup Removing Jelly. I haven't actually tried this one yet. We've also got a BECCA box. This box included one of their shimmering skin perfectors. I got the shade Pearl, which I'm so happy about because this is one of the oldie shades I was missing from like their core original collection of highlighters. And then their highlighting brush, that is going to be in the giveaway prize as well. I think this EcoTOOLS box is one of the best boxes I have ever seen from Influencer. It was jam-packed with products. We've got individual brushes, we have got brush sets, and one of their sponges. And then these little guys right here, I know this seems like a small thing, but if you love masking and you want to take your face mask game to the next level, get some of these sponges. They're so nice to remove your masks, and it honestly makes it so much more like a spa facial like experience. And you will also receive a variation of this box as well. And the last few boxes are all brands that are new to me. So the first brand is called Ever, and this is their Whiplash Speed Volumizing Mascara. Sounds really intense and cool. There's also a Beauty by Pop Sugar box, which is really cool. I had no idea that Pop Sugar had come out with their own makeup line. And this box had a little lip scrub, a mascara, and a tinted lip balm inside. And then the final box you can win in the giveaway is this box from Honest Beauty, which is Jessica Alba's beauty brand. So there is a mattifying primer, a mascara, and a lip crayon, as well as an InStyle magazine that has Jessica Alba on the cover. So the only part of the prize that I don't have to show you right now are some items from Marc Jacobs. I believe there's going to be an eyeliner, a lip gloss, and a mascara. So I'm sure you all want to know how to get started with Influencer. I will have a link in the description box below where you can sign up, so make sure you check that out. You create your account, it's super simple, but the most important step in setting up your profile is connecting your social media accounts. You don't specifically need a YouTube or an Instagram or a Facebook. You don't need any of those in particular to sign up, but the more accounts that you do have to connect, the higher your chances of qualifying for boxes will be. A big misconception I've seen is that like you have to have an Instagram account specifically to sign up. That's not the case. Another huge question I get asked all the time about Influencer is how do I actually know when I'm going to be receiving a box? So in order to receive boxes, you have to be checking your email regularly because they will send out emails that contain a little survey that you fill out, and and then that just lets influencer know if this box is going to be a good fit for you. And then later on you'll get another email letting you know if you qualified for that box and letting you know it is on its way to you and what steps you need to take next to review the products and everything like that. So that is the biggest thing. You need to be checking your email or you won't be receiving the boxes. You need to jump on those surveys when you get them. Influencer is currently available in Canada, the United States, the UK, France, and the Middle East, but they are always working on expanding to more countries, and you can still sign up and create an account and use the platform and everything. Those are just the countries and areas that they currently ship to. I have been using Influencer for literally years now. I have a video on my channel that is almost 4 years old now where I unboxed one of my first ever Influencer boxes, and I've been receiving boxes from them since I had 250 subscribers, so you do not need a large social media following in order to receive products. On to the best part, which is the giveaway. So I'm just going to go over the main details really quickly, but all of the full rules and everything will be in the description box down below, so please read through that if you have any questions or you're confused about anything. So this giveaway is going to be open to Canada and the United States, and the first step to entering is you have to follow the link in the description box down below and create an account on Influencer if you do not have one already. Like I said, it's completely free to sign up and it only takes a few minutes. It's very simple. You also need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, of course. You also need to be following me on Instagram at SariReanna. I'll have a link to my Instagram down below as well to make it super easy for you guys to find. And then you have to leave a comment on this video. The comment can say whatever you want. Just make sure you include your Instagram username at the very end of the comment, because if you win, I need a way to contact you and put you in touch with influencers so you can receive your amazing prize. If you're entering, just please make sure you are following all of the rules and completing those 4 steps, because we will be verifying that you have done all of them. So create the account on Influencer, subscribe to me, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment with your Instagram name. That's all you have to do. And even if you don't qualify for this particular giveaway because you're outside of Canada or the US, make sure you still sign up for Influencer down below, because there are still tons of opportunities for you to be receiving free boxes of makeup and skincare and other beauty products. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, you guys. Once again, a huge thank you to Influencer for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go follow me on social media. I'm at SariReanna on Twitter and Instagram, and hit that subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.